If you think architecture and interior designs are just drawings on paper, you're leaving money, comfort, and quality of life on the table. Hindi lang basta drawing lang yan. Design isn't decoration. It's not just drawings. It's strategy. Every layout, every wall, every material choices impacts how you live. Your energy, your movement, even your mental peace. Lahat yan may epekto ang design. In property development, a well-planned space can boost your value by 20 to 30%. Sometimes even more. In your own home, it means better airflow, better sleep, less stress. Mas magaan sa pakiramdam, mas maayos ang galaw mo araw-araw. Design is the silent partner of your success. It's not just lines on paper. It's how your space performs for your life or your business. As your architect and interior architecture specialist, here's my pro tip. Before you build or renovate, always consult a design professional who understands both beauty and function. Huwag kang taya ng taya dahil sayang lang ang pera. Good design pays for itself in return of investment and in the lifestyle you deserve. Let's realize your dream spaces for well-being, prestige, and legacy wealth. I'm Architect Novoa, your interior architecture specialist, and if you like this video, follow us for more.